Hi there, I'm Matt Wilson with PH20 Manufacturing, and I'm an application engineer for Verisurf, supporting the Midwest region. Welcome to Tech Time. I'm really excited to be here with you today. In this session, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your process of inspection by as much as 600%. That's right. Imagine cutting your inspection times down and getting your parts out the door faster. We all know inspection is often seen as a cost center, but it's actually a vital part of the manufacturing process, and the last step before it leaves your shop. And optimizing it can really make a difference in your overall productivity. Whether you're new to Verisurf or you already own a PH20, today's video is packed with useful tips that can help you speed up your inspection and reduce bottlenecks that many shops face. By combining the PH20 with Verisurf's powerful software, where you can accelerate your inspection tasks and get more parts through the process quickly. Let's dive into 3 common measurement scenarios that you'll probably encounter in your inspection department: surface measurements, hole measurements, and cylinder measurements. Each of these will show you how the Verisurf and the PH20 work together to make your inspection faster and more accurate. First, I'll demonstrate surface measurements. With Verisurf software, you can automate surface scans, which means less manual programming and faster inspection times. Next up, we'll look at hole measurements. I'm going to position the part at an angle to take full advantage of the PH20's flick feature. This allows the probe to quickly move between measurement points, speeding up the process, especially for holes that need to be measured from different angles. Lastly, we'll cover cylinder measurements. For more complex features like tapped holes that require extra precision, the PH20 makes it easy to measure these detailed features quickly, and Verisurf lets you capture the necessary data in a fraction of the time. When you implement Verisurf with your PH20, you can drastically reduce inspection times, minimize backlog, and increase throughput. Even if you already own a PH20, this video is perfect for helping you fine-tune your programming skills and optimize your equipment. At QD, we're here to help. Get the most out of your inspection equipment and eliminate bottlenecks. We know how frustrating it can be to deal with these delays in inspection, and we're committed to helping you speed up the process. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you found this helpful, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. We're always here to assist you.